Now the next river is the river Krishna. So in which states the river Krishna flows? The river Krishna flows and it originates firstly in Maharashtra. Then it flows into the Karnataka state and then it flows into the Andhra Pradesh and finally it flows into the Bay of Bengal. And our next river is the river Kaveri. So my dear students, what is the another name of the river Kaveri? The river Kaveri is also known as the Dakshin Ganga in Karnataka. Now, what are the states? What are the states in which the river Kaveri flows? The states like Karnataka, it originates from Karnataka and it then flows into the Tamil Nadu and finally it flows into the Bay of Bengal. So my dear students, earlier I told you these two important rivers, the river Tapi and the river Narmada, they finally flow into the Arabian Sea and rest of the rivers they flow into the Bay of Bengal. So my dear students, now we are going to see the exact location of these rivers on India's political map. So my dear students, here we can see the exact location of all the rivers. So first we have to start with the river Narmada, where it flows and finally where it goes. Yes, it flows into the Madhya Pradesh state. Yes, and we can also say that the central part of India, Madhya Pradesh. And then it goes to Maharashtra and Gujarat. And it flows into Madhya Pradesh, that is also called the central part of India, Maharashtra and Gujarat. And finally, I told you earlier, it flows into the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is here and Narmada finally flows into the Arabian Sea. Now, our next river is river Tapti. Yes, the river Tapti, it flows and we can also say that Tapi river. It flows through the states of Maharashtra. Yes, it originates in Maharashtra and then it flows into Madhya Pradesh and finally it flows into the Arabian Sea. The river Narmada and river Tapti, they finally flows into the Arabian Sea. And now just come on the third river, the river Godavari, and I told you it is the longest river of India. Yes, it rises in Maharashtra, then it flows into the Andhra Pradesh and finally it goes into the Bay of Bengal. So this is our river, the longest river, Godavari. And the next river is the river Krishna. The river Krishna originates, it rises from Maharashtra in the west and Andhra Pradesh and finally it flows into the Bay of Bengal. So this is our river Krishna's location. And the next river is the river Mahanadi. Yes, the river Mahanadi, it flows through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Chhattisgarh is here and Odisha is here. It flows through the Chhattisgarh and Odisha. This is the right location of river Mahanadi. And our last river is the river Kaveri, which is also known as the Dakshin Ganga. So my dear students, the river Kaveri originates from Maharashtra in the west and Andhra Pradesh and it finally flows into the Bay of Bengal. So these are all important rivers of the Deccan Plateau and most important rivers of the Deccan Plateau region.